top 10 equity funds by year-to-date return in April 2026. Now, these are top 10 equity funds that are top 10 mutual funds, rather, top 10 equity mutual funds that made a lot of profit. Now, firstly, before I talk about this list of fund house or finance house that did outperform well in the area of mutual fund, I want to talk about different investments in the capital market. There are investments in the capital market. The capital market is the market where people invest their money, and then their money is used to do things like the bond, like the stock, like the treasury bill, stocks and shares, capital market investment. Then we have money market investment through money market houses, investment houses. Is also a kind of capital market investment. Then we have the mutual fund. Mutual fund is a kind of capital market investment. All these kind of investments has their differences. As you go on in the BIP podcast, you'll be learning more about this. But there is one of the investment that is highly profitable. Profit cannot be reliably estimated in the beginning of an investment, but you can make more profit. You can make up to 105% in a year or in 6 months. You can make 50% in a year or 6 months, and then you can make loss. The risk is higher compared to the money market fund. I've mentioned two now: mutual fund, money market fund. The mutual fund is handled by experts of a fund house. The money market fund is handled by experts of a fund house, but the difference is that the money market fund, your capital can never be affected, even your profit, but you'll be making little. Some companies can give you as much as, let's say, 10 to 12%, within the range of 8 to 13% in a year. But mutual fund, which a lot of people are investing in right now in Nigeria, I think their risk appetite is much more because they need to make money. The economy is really different from 2 years ago, 3 years ago. So people are not really looking at the risk part of the mutual fund. Mutual fund, you can make less, right? But then it is managed by professionals. In Nigeria, equity mutual fund segment grew by 216.34 billion in assets as at April 2026, up from 147 billion in March, with a 94,531 units of shareholders. This segment accounts for 2.47% of the mutual fund industry. Now there's an increase as at April from March, 170.7 billion in March invested in mutual fund to 216.34 billion in April. That's almost let's say almost 30. That's almost 44 billion traded in April. Increase, 44 billion increase, meaning the total traded amount was 214 billion. And then there are several mutual fund houses that help individuals make money throughout this period of January to April. And I'm mentioning them, which is Zcrest Equity Fund is a 3.73% year-to-date return, January to current date to April. Xerox Magna Equity Fund had over 61.13 return. Then we have the Paramount Equity Fund had over 60.05 return. Cardinal Stone Equity Fund had over 56.86.58 return. Halo Equity Fund had over 54% return. Future View Equity Fund had over 52.43 return. Guaranteed Trust Equity Income Fund had over 50.36 return. Cowrie Equity Fund had over 49.50 return. Several other equity funds that didn't meet up to this. Then the last two, Maritime Equity Fund had over to 49.81 return, and the Paramount Equity Fund had over 48.99 return. So look at this, right, and determine which fund house will you go for. Now, one of the first that I'm saying here is Zcrest Equity Fund. For them to have made over 83.73 return year to date, that is really magnificent. That is massive. But then you also want to look at a number of things to make you make an informed investment decision and which fund house you'll be invested. Some of these funds that are doing massive deal, they need to do massive deal in order to get their name up there, right? And some of the other funds that are not really generating massive return, some of them have already gotten names and people trust is significant. Okay, I can say that these people, over the years, there's been no profit. But for a company to make a lot of profit does not mean they cannot make loss. So we have to not use what they did this year or to only make an informed decision. Check their track record over the 3 years or 2 years basis. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages for individual? Individual gain access to professionally managed diversified fund portfolio, reducing risk of picking individual stock. So if you invest in the mutual fund, they are investing on your behalf. You are not picking by yourself. Do you get it? Return of 49.8 year to date far outpaced inflation around 15% savings, right? Year to date, 49.8 year to date. So equity funds are volatile. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Based on what I wrote here, the minimal investment may be high for some retail investors. Funds with few shareholders suggest high barrier entries. So you want to consult the mutual fund house that you are using and check what are the amount that you can start your investment with, and then let them manage your investments. You don't need to have over 100 million before you start doing this. You start with 50,000 there. Okay, have like 2 or 3. Diversify your risk across 2 to 3 mutual fund house. I said, I have a money market investment fund that is fixed. I want to try with 50K or 100K or 50 million or 10 million. Spread your risk across 3 fund house. If you are making 80% from this, making 50% from this, making 40% from this, your risk is minimal, because what if the 80-something% profit went down? You will mitigate that risk from another company that has given you profit and not loss. So it's important to do what you want, diversify across different fund houses in order for you to manage profit and minimize loss. A growing equity fund segment deepens capital markets and provides liquidity for listed companies. However, fund manager faces pressure to sustain high return. A market downturn could trigger redemption and asset shrinkage. Companies with concentrated ownership in funds may face government scrutiny. Now, what does this mean? Most of these companies make money from a fee, management fee. So if they're able to raise over 30 billion and then they're able to make over 80%, or let's say 100%, that is 30 billion also, they may have a management fee of like 10%. Do you get it? And that's like, let's say 3 billion. And guess what? If they make loss, they don't pay management fee on loss. So they make money with your money. And when it's time for loss, you make your loss. One of the suited investments to do. We create a fund management house, get regulated, get professionals to manage people's fund. You make profits, the company make profits. You make loss, your customers make loss. You don't make loss. But then, of course, you owe them to make profits. So what am I trying to say? To individuals, the companies are on the safer side. They make profit, they get a management fee. They make loss, they don't get management fee, but investors lose their fund. Advantage and disadvantage to the economy. Equity fund channel long-term savings into productive asset investment, supporting economic growth and capital formation. This segment expansion indicates higher investor confidence in the Nigerian equity market. Yet this segment remains tiny, 2.74% of the mutual fund industry, meaning the economy still relies heavily on high-risk assets. A sudden rotation out of the equity fund may amplify market volatility. People are investing in this fund. It's increasing. So this is something that you can take advantage of if you want to invest. But I would say investors should invest in less risky investment that is much more guaranteed to give you return on investment. And then a little of your fund can go into risky investment that will give you higher return on investment and higher risk portfolio. So make an informed decision with this. If this has given you more information, subscribe. like, comment. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Click the link in the description button on the comment section. Join our WhatsApp community. It's a private WhatsApp community where you get in-depth information on how to make, manage, and multiply money. We also do what we call the Night Business School. Every Friday, 10 p.m., we have a night business school where we talk on business, investment, small businesses, large businesses that you can do. You can start with 500K, 1 million, 10 million, 50 million. And then also, we also have experts that will join CEOs from different businesses, different industry, for train us on how to make, manage, and multiply money. I have financial support, business and investment experts. Thank you for joining.